Hi! This video will show you what it's like to take a 3rd, 4th, or 5th grade course with Lincoln Learning. Did you know that there are other videos available that give you tips for working through your courses? There are even videos that show you how to take an online test. Click on the navicon, or the 3 little lines in the upper left-hand corner of your screen. Then, click Tutorials. Be sure to check out Getting to Know Buzz.
Hi there! Are you new to Buzz? Don't worry, it's easy to use. I'm happy to share some great tips to help you get started.
Do you see the technical support option? If you run into any problems with your courses, such as broken links or games not working, click this option to contact the help desk at Lincoln Learning Solutions. Be sure to check here to make sure you don't miss any important announcements. Let's take a look at this social studies course. Sometimes, teachers choose to add welcome information to the course landing page, like this teacher did here. Check this area for valuable information your teacher might include. Now open the Course Resources folder. This folder contains useful documents that you can reference throughout the course. Check out the course supply list first. Do you have the items you need to complete your work? As a 3rd, 4th, or 5th grader, you are completing more of your schoolwork on your own. However, there will still be times when you'll need extra help from a grown-up. Take a look at the Parent and Teacher Guide with your guardian. This guide will help them to know the best way to support you while still allowing you to do your schoolwork independently. Each course is set up in the order that your teacher thinks is best for you to learn the most. Avoid skipping around and follow the course in order. Check out the tutorials page and watch What is a Learning Object and What does it teach it to learn more about the content of the courses. In each course are assessments, which are like tests. Remember, when you complete these assessments, you should be doing all of your own work without the help of your guardian or another grown-up. To learn more about assessments, go to the tutorials page and watch How to Submit an Upload Assessment and How to Submit an Online Assessment. To be successful in your online courses, you should have a space for completing your schoolwork each day. Be sure to follow the schedule and rules that you and your guardian create together. Are you taking English language arts, mathematics, science, or social studies? You will spend about an hour a day doing schoolwork in a subject. But remember, keeping active is important to learning too. When you work with your guardian to create a daily school schedule, plan for time to complete all your work and time to get your body moving. Make sure that you complete the right number of lessons each day so that you don't fall behind. This is usually 1 lesson per day in each of your courses, but be sure to check your teacher's welcome page and other information for important details on how much to complete every day. It's time to start learning.